Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have code and a project folder. Now install Docker Desktop or Docker Engine and open a terminal. Create a concise Docker file using a small base image, copy only necessary files, and add Docker ignore to keep images lean. Build your first image with Docker build t-myapdev and run it with Docker run p3000 myapdev. Once done, confirm the container serves your app at localhost 3000 and iterate on the Docker file. You now move to orchestrating services with Docker Compose. Write a compose file that defines the web service, database, and any cache. Use volumes to bind your source for live reload, and set environment variables with an env file or environment entries. Make sure to add health check and restart policies so containers recover during iterative development. Once configured, run Docker Compose up build to bring everything up and watch logs. Make a code change and verify hot reload through the bind mount. You're close to production readiness. Convert to multi-stage builds to shrink image size, pin base image versions, and run CI tests inside containers. Deploy with a production Compose file or container orchestrator, and make sure secrets and configs are injected securely. If something goes wrong, check Docker logs and use Docker execut to inspect the running container, verify exposed ports, environment variables, and mounted volumes. One key tip: mismatched ports or missing bind mounts cause most dev time failures. Confirm those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.